Hi everyone, welcome back to our phonics lessons. So today is our last session at home before we return to school on Monday. So make sure you're paying attention and you're ready to learn, and let's get started. Before I introduce the new sound from set 3, like always, we have to recap over our set 3 sounds. So I'm going to hold up a sound and then you're going to tell me what it is and what we say for the picture. So when I hold this sound up, what do we say? Fantastic, this is nurse with a purse. Fantastic. So that was yesterday's sound. Now what sound is this? Fantastic, this is or yawn at dawn. Okay, what sound is this? Amazing, this is air, care and share. Well done, you're doing so well. Well done, keep it up. What sound is this? Fantastic, this is E, cup of tea. Well done for remembering the pictures as well. What do we say? Fantastic, this is I, nice, smile, good job. The next sound, again this is another split sound, this is O, phone home. The next split sound is oo, huge brute. Fantastic. Okay, we've got 2 more sounds. Another split sound here. We say A, make a cake. And the last sound is Oi, spoil the boy. Well done. I'm so impressed that you remembered the sound and the picture card. So give yourself a pat on the back. And now I'm going to introduce our new set 3 sound for today. Before I introduce the new set 3 sound, I'm going to hold up 2 other sounds for you to recap over. So, what sound is this? 1 and 12. Good job. Okay. Now what sound is this? Nurse with a purse. Fantastic. So this sound is and this sound is but they are spelt differently. So today's sound is but we say better letter. Your turn. Better letter. Fantastic. So this is the sound. We've got another sound, just spelt differently. And now we have spelt like this, and we say better letter. So my turn, your turn. My turn, your turn. My turn, better letter, your turn. Fantastic. So again, have a look at the picture. What can you see? Who might this be? Describe this picture and remember to use full sentences. So this is the sound better letter. The sound that we're looking at today is a new set 3 sound, which is better letter. So as you can see, we have a postman and he has a letter in his hand. So he's off to deliver this better letter. So this is better letter. Let me hear you say it. Fantastic. So my turn, your turn. My turn, your turn. My turn, better letter. Your turn. Fantastic. So when you see this side, you say and when you see this side, you say better letter. So this side is and this side is better letter. So make sure you remember that as I'm going to test you later on in the lesson. Like always, before we move on to Fred talking out words with the sound in them, we need to practice writing this sound. So I'm going to put the picture of better letter, fantastic, on my board, and then I'm going to practice writing the sound. So what do I need to say when I'm writing the sound? We've got better letter. Better letter. Better letter. Better letter. So that's what you need to be doing. Make sure you underline the sound as you go along, and make sure your letters are nicely formed and they're sitting on the line, as I cannot wait to read your nice and neat handwriting. On my board here, I've got some words with the sound on it. So it's better letter. Can I hear you say it? Fantastic. So I am going to read the word, then I'm going to Fred talk it out, and then it will be your turn. Okay, so make sure you're listening and you're looking at the board and you can see where I'm pointing to. So the first word is better. Let me do it again. Better. Your turn. Fantastic. Let's go together. Better. Let me go again. Better. So as you can see, there are two T's together, but that makes the sound T. So it's better. Okay. The next word is what do we say? Never. Fantastic. Your turn. Never. Fantastic. The next word is proper. Your turn. Proper. Fantastic. So we've had better, never, proper, and now we've got letter. Fantastic. Letter. Your turn. Fantastic. So now we've got corner. Good job if you got that right. So let me lift you up. So let me do that again. Corner. Your turn. Fantastic. So it's corner. Now we've got butter. Well done. Butter. Your turn. Good job. You're doing so well. So now we've got flower. Amazing. Now can I get you to Fred talk it out? Fantastic. So we've got flower, and the last word is tower. Fantastic. Go again. Well done. Okay, so we've got tower, flower, butter, corner, letter, proper, never, better, and our sound that we are looking at today is better letter. Good job. Now that we've Fred talked out those words, it's now time to Fred talk them out and write them. So make sure you've got a pencil and some paper ready, and you're listening and you're paying really, really close attention, as I'm going to say the word, then I will Fred talk out the word, and then you can write it. So are you ready? Fantastic. So the first word I would like you to write is corner. Corner. So it's so it's better letter. So corner. I'll give you a few more seconds to write it, and then you can help me Fred talk it out and write it together. Corner. Okay. So what's the first sound in corner? Fantastic. Is it a kicking k or curling k? Curling k. Fantastic. So we've got k, or shut the door. Fantastic. K, well done. So we've got k, corner. Well done. Okay, so we've done corner. Your next word is never. 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 Okay. Sound it out as you're writing it. Make sure you're using your thread fingers if you get a bit stuck, and then I will help you to write this word. So your word was never. Never. Right, have you finished? Fantastic. So the first sound in never is n. So we've got n, never. Never. K or corner. Never. Well done. The next word is proper. Okay, let me say it again. So that's your next word is proper. Okay. Once you're writing that, I will then write it on my board. So, proper. Fantastic. Well done if you're getting these right so far. Don't worry if you're not. We're just practicing. We're learning this sound. So we're learning the better letter sound. And once we recap over these a few times, you'll be more confident with the sounds, okay? Your next word is better. Better. Better, okay? Like better letter, better. That's your next word to write. Better. Okay, so the first sound in better is better. Better. Well done. Okay, and we'll do one more word, and the next word is butter. 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 So your last word is butter. Okay, so just like butter your bread. Butter. Okay, so the first sound in butter is amazing. Well done. So butter. So now we've written all of these words, I'm going to point to the word and then you are going to read. So the first word is so we've got k or corner, never, proper, better, and butter. So corner, never, proper, better, and butter. Now it's time to go over some red words. So I'm going to say a red word and then you need to write it down as quickly as you can. So make sure you know that you do not sound out red words. Red words are sight words, so you need to learn them off by heart. So the first red word I would like you to spell and write is the red word my. How do you spell the red word my? Write it down nice and quickly, but make sure your writing is nice and neat as well. So your first red word was my. How do we spell the red word my? M and Y spells my. Fantastic. So M and Y spells my. Your next red word is the. The is your next red word. How do we spell the red word the? Say it for me. T-H-E spells the. Fantastic. So T-H-E spells the. So M and Y spells my and T-H-E spells the. So we've had my and the. Your next red word is have. Have. How do we spell the red word have? Who can tell me? Say it for me. H-A-V-E, have. Fantastic. So H-A-V-E, have. So M and Y spells my, THE spells the, HAVE, have. Fantastic. Next one, nice and easy, I. Write down the red word I. Hopefully you should all remember how to spell the red word I. Now we can move on to the next red word, which is they. They. How do we spell the red word they? THEY, they. Fantastic. So THEY, they. So we've got my, the, have, I, and they. And your last red word is you. How do we spell the red word you? Shout it out for me. Y-O-U spells you. Amazing. Y-O-U spells you. So now let's read these red words together. My, the, have, I, they, and you. Fantastic. Well done if you got all of those red words right. Make sure you're practicing your red words at home because you need to learn how to read them, how to write them, and how to spell them. So like always, once we've done our green words with our sound of the day, which is better letter, fantastic, and our red words, it is now time to write a sentence. So I'm going to say the sentence and you're going to help me write it. Then afterwards it will be your turn to write the sentence by yourself. Okay, so the first sentence we are going to write is I will meet you on the corner. Okay, I will meet you on the corner. So how many words are in that sentence? 7 words in that sentence. So let me say it again. I will meet you on the corner. Okay, so what was the first word in that sentence? I. Fantastic. So I, what do I need to do? Make it a capital letter. Well done. So I will. So let's Fred talk the word will, as we know it's not a red word, it's a green word. So let's Fred talk the word will. Will. Fantastic again. Well done. So again, I need a finger space, and now I write will. Will. And again, there are 2 L's making one sound, which is will. I will meet. Okay, so let's Fred talk the word meet. Eat. Meet. Again. Eat. Meet. Okay. So again, finger space. What comes next? E. Fantastic. I will eat meet. I will meet you. Okay, so you is a green word, isn't it? No, that means it's a red word. Okay, so tell me, how do we spell the red word you? Y-O-U spells you. Fantastic. Y-O-U spells you. I will eat meet. I will meet you. I will meet you on. Fantastic. Tell me how to spell the word on. Nice and easy. On. On. I will meet you on. I will meet you on the. The is a red word, so tell me, how do we spell the red word the? T-H-E spells the. Fantastic. T-H-E spells the. And as there isn't enough room here to write my next word, I will go underneath, but I don't need a capital letter yet, because has the sentence finished? No, so I will meet you on the corner. So let's Fred talk corner. K or corner again. K or corner. Fantastic. So k or, n, well done. So k or, n, corner. And at the end I need a full stop. So I will read the sentence, then it will be your turn. I will eat meat. I will meet you on. I will meet you on the k or n, corner. I will meet you on the corner. Your turn. I will meet you on the corner. Fantastic. Thank you for helping write that sentence. So now it is your turn to write that sentence all by yourself. And the sentence again was, I will meet you on the corner. So the next thing you're going to help me write is a question. So let me say the question for you. Can I have jam and butter? Let me say it again. Can I have jam and butter? So, what was the first word in my question? Can. Fantastic. So how do we spell the word can? Can. Fantastic. So always at the start is a capital letter. Can. So can I. So I is a red word, so I need a finger space, and then I write my red word I. So can I have. Fantastic. So how do we spell the red word have? H-A-V-E, have. Amazing. Well done for remembering. H-A-V-E, have. Can I have. Can I have jam? So how do we Fred talk the word jam? Jam. Fantastic. So the first sound in jam is j. So we've got j, jam. Can I have jam? Can I have jam? And. Fantastic. How do we spell the word and? And. Fantastic. We're doing so well with this. Thank you. And. Can I have jam and butter? So let's Fred talk the word butter. Butter. And again. Fantastic. So the first sound in butter is b, a, t, fantastic. B, a, t, butter. And because it's a question, we use a question mark. Okay. So let me read the question for you. Can I have jam? Can I have jam and can I have jam and butter? Can I have jam and butter? Your turn. So now I would like you to write the question by yourself. And the question is, can I have jam and butter? So at the start of the lesson, I said I was going to test you and show you the different sides of the sound cards, and you would have to tell me what you say. So, what do we say when we see this side? Better letter. Fantastic. So this is better letter. Fantastic. Okay. What do you say when you see this side? Nurse with a purse. Fantastic. So the sound is nurse with a purse. I'll do a few more. Okay, what about this one? Nice smile. Good job. So this is I, nice smile. Okay. What about this side? You say yawn at dawn. So it is or yawn at dawn. Okay, and the last one I will do is, what do we say? Care and share. Care and share. And what was the sound that we learnt today? Better letter. Fantastic. So, better letter. Let me hear you say it. Fantastic, well done. So today the sound you learnt was better letter. Now it is your turn to come up with some sentences of your own. So I've given you some sentences with words missing in between them. I've also given you some words with the sound in them, so you need to find out which word matches the right sentence, and once you've done that you need to write it out nice and neatly, remembering your capital letter at the start, finger spaces in between your words and a full stop right at the end. Once you've written out your sentences and you've checked your work, please make sure to take a picture of your work and upload it onto Class Dojo and onto Tapestry. I cannot wait to read the sentences you've come up with. I hope you've enjoyed these lessons online, as I've really enjoyed making them. But today was the last lesson online as we return to school on Monday. I cannot wait to see you all on Monday, so have a lovely weekend and I will see you all nice and early on Monday morning.